Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. On this solemn occasion of the International Day of Remembrance on March 7th, we honor the brave police officers who made the ultimate sacrifice for the safety and security of others. Their courage, dedication, and unwavering commitment to duty will never be forgotten. To the families of the fallen, we stand with you in gratitude and respect. Their sacrifices serve as a reminder of the true spirit of service, protecting lives, upholding justice, and ensuring peace in our communities. Let us remember their legacy, support those who continue to serve, and work together for a safer world. Their sacrifice was not in vain. We salute our heroes in uniform, gone but never forgotten.